In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust timeline and tagging settings. We'll walk through this together step by step so you can control who sees what on your profile and how tags involving you are handled. These settings are really important for managing your privacy and keeping your profile looking the way you want it to. Start by opening Facebook and making sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main homepage, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your profile picture or your name. Click on your profile in that upper right area. This takes you to your profile menu, which is where you can access all of your account options. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Settings and Privacy. It might be grouped together with other options like Help or Display. Go ahead and click on Settings and Privacy. This opens up an expanded list that gives you more control over how your account works. Next, in that expanded area, click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page for your Facebook account. You might see several categories listed on the left-hand side or in a menu such as Privacy, Security, and others. Now you want to look for the option called Profile and Tagging. This is the section that specifically controls what shows up on your timeline, who can post or tag you, and how those tags are handled. Click on Profile and Tagging to open that page. Once you're in the profile and tagging settings, carefully follow the on-screen prompts. You'll see different options that let you choose who can post on your profile, who can see posts you're tagged in, and whether you want to review posts or tags before they appear on your timeline. Take your time with each setting and select the choices that match your preferences, such as Only Me, Friends, or Public. As you go through each option, think about how visible you want your activity and tagged content to be. If you're unsure, you can start with more restrictive settings and loosen them later if needed. When you're done adjusting everything, your changes are usually saved automatically, but double check for any save buttons if they appear. And that's it. You've successfully reached and adjusted your timeline and tagging settings, giving you better control over how your profile looks and who can interact with it.